Let's talk wigs. Subject, the lace front. What do you do when the lace front begins to lift? My solution is fix it or skip it. So come with me and I share with you all the solutions that you will need. What is a lace front wig? Well, I have Raquel Welch from her signature collection. This is Spotlight. I have a few of these particular style wigs, but you can see right here it's already lifting, and I think I've only had this for less than a month, and you see the lace is already lifting up. But then I do wear this often. Now, what I want to share with you though is that the lace front is a wonderful invention because it's like a mesh, but it looks like it mats down on your own scalp. They hand tie synthetic fibers from here, so it looks like when it's matted down properly that you don't have a wig on. So I can see where this is very, very popular. However, it does cause lifting. Now you can also have the lace customized for you, depending upon your dimensions. If you just have problems anyway with buying the standard average size that most of these wigs come in, you might want to order the lace front to be longer. Some women actually have it a couple of inches down, and then they themselves, either they cut it themselves or they go to their salon and have it cut. So that's also an option. But there is a designer, Ellen Villa, the late Ellen Villa. Her Perucci collection, which I'm very familiar with, has a lace front, but it's very minimal. And let me share with you of how her lace front is made. It's very, 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 very short. Sorry, taking the time here. Do you see here how very short that is? Now, I have a few of her from her Perucci collection. I have purchased a few of her wigs, and they never lift. And I think mathematically they can't. I think she may have purposely made that collection to be very, very short like this. And then the weight or the way the cap is constructed, just the dimensions, it always will be taut. It just will not lift. But that's been my experience with that. But then I have to share with you my go-to, because to be honest with you, I'm new to wigs and I'm always worried about something. Either the back has to be down, they got to readjust here, and now I got to worry about the lace lifting. And I do wear a lot of times a band across because I just don't want to deal with it. But there is a wonderful mother-daughter team, Godiva's Secret Wigs in California, that makes some wonderful wigs. I'll put one on. I have quite a few of their wigs. You can see here, no lace at all. Beautiful machine stitched, beautiful fibers, the wefting. I have to say, I have some of their very long wigs, and I have yet to use the spray, detangler spray on them, and I wear them often. So they make incredible high quality wigs. But let me put this on so you can see it. All right. There you go. And I'll just you just have to bring it up right up to where you see your hairline. Go down to the temples, adjust it, and away you go. Now, I'll put the code down there as far as the discount code from Godiva's Secret Wigs, that if you wish to purchase one of their beautiful selections, you'll get a 15% discount on your very first purchase. Have a great day, and stay tuned for our next week's Wig Talk. I'm going to be addressing that little rascal called permatease. Have a great day.